Hey guys, I got y'all turned around the other way this time. Look at this new Vago hose reel. It is the bomb diggity, y'all. Probably the best thing I've done out here in the garden. Here's some herbs that I bought. I've got some started too. I just don't trust myself on the whole start and stuff process yet. I think I start too soon and then they grow too big and then they don't get enough light. I gotta get this stuff put in the ground. I think this is more mint. Lemon mint, maybe. This is some kind of iris. I don't even know what color it is, but we will find out. It lived through the winter out here. These are my garlics. They've been planted since October, and they're pretty big. They're healthy looking. I really need these beds back though, and I can't pull them till July. This is my raspberry. She's starting to put out. Got some flowers. I need to fertilize them. I put manure and compost in there. That fertilizes them a lot. You don't want to over fertilize either. But you can see, still haven't got these beds filled up. That's got to be done in the next 2 weeks. This is how my good luck on carrots is. There's two. I don't know what this is. It just started coming up on its own. None of my fall stuff did anything this year because we went straight to winter. These are my dwarf peas, and they're coming up good. I don't know how big they get when they say dwarf. We'll see. Grayson's excited. He's been watching them grow. And my thornless blackberry, we're going to move these. I didn't realize how crazy fast these things grew. So we're going to separate them out and put them all along that fence line. And I've got 2 cabbage left over from the fall, and they feel like they're trying to do something, but I'm afraid around here it's going to get hot fast. I got Yukon potatoes in this bed and some right here, and this is more onions. I've got strawberries in here. I'm going to dig these out and put those back in my green stalks over there so I can have this bed. Some more garlic because you can't ever have enough garlic. This is mint. It's taken over this whole thing. And I've got thyme. I got thyme several places. I got plenty of thyme. I don't need to plant no more of that. And I think that's a mint of some kind because it looks like the mint family, but it tastes a little different. So it may be like a lemon balm. This is a butterfly bush. Just walking around, looking how pretty everything is. My roses are doing great. I prune them back and fertilize them, and there's just little blooms coming out everywhere. I hope eventually she'll go all the way around. Oh, it's a butterfly. Blue flowered butterfly. We're going to go down and feed the little baby goats. I've got my bottles in my apron. I don't know how anybody can be on a farm and not have an apron. I got goat treats in my apron because I better not go out there without any or they'll still have a fit. And it is cold here, y'all. I think it was 36 this morning. I'm going to get some more goat treats because I don't think I have enough. I hear you, Tilly. It's my baby goat hollering for me. Gene's gone to his mama's to work up there this weekend, and I can't go because I have a farm. So if y'all want to see me, y'all got to come down here. It's a little quail. It's a little bob white. I don't know if you can see through this. I'm going to put it in here. Where'd you go, little guy? He's over here. Look how tiny he is compared to the rest of them. They're the same age. I don't understand that. Hey guys, I know y'all, I'm fixing to transfer these big guys over to the adult cage. Get this cage cleaned out. I got chickens hatching this weekend, and ducks go on lockdown Sunday. So they'll be hatching probably Tuesday or Wednesday. I only had 3 duck eggs. I didn't want many because these are for my personal use, unless, of course, it's a drake, and then we're going to have to find him a home. And my luck, it'll be all 3 will be drakes. So here we'll be. Mama's coming and gathering eggs right now. Yeah. Make sure we get them eggs if they're laid, or I'll come out here and they'll be busted up. It's almost Easter, and we got to have all the eggs we can get. I love this little nester I got from Uncle B's. It somewhat rolls the eggs down. I'm putting gravel in here because you can see where they've dug out this dirt. Look at my socks. Chickens. Watch out, Dardis. It's Dardis. He just ain't as pretty as he used to be. He's probably about 4 now. He's lost his tail feathers. His comb's all spotted up and stays swollen. He stays sickly. I got some big hens though. His Wyandottes, they're really big, but they're all gentle, thankfully. I'm coming. Lagatha is in heat, and we know for sure they'll be having babies. We've witnessed it. So I have it on the calendar for June 14th. I know. It's been a day. It was storming last night. Was y'all scared? Did you get in your house like I told you to? Come back in. Sorry to make you guys so dizzy. I only got 2 hands. Watch out, guys. I'll set the chair on you. Mama's got to sit down. Hey, Ragnar. Is it all about you? Is it all about you? Sorry. Sorry, I didn't have it to where y'all could see. This is my Tilly. She is a Chamoisée, a blue-eyed Chamoisée. You smell the bottle? And this is Truvy. She's blonde and she's dark. Well, she looks like she's green-eyed, but I don't know. Let me change. All right, I got your bottle. I'm going to have to set the camera down because these kids is going to tear it up. Look. Come here, girls. Come here. You going to get in my lap? Okay. I hope you can see her. Trevy don't get down on it like Tilly does. Tilly just tear up a bottle. Okay, here you go. Trevy, here. They're drinking cow's milk. My friend Bill has milk cows, and so he let me get some milk to feed the babies. And they seem to like the cow's milk better than the goat milk. I hear you, chicks. I'm going to spray my chicken, or not spray, but powder down my chicken coops with DE. Hey, Riggs. Riggins. Where's Delsey Marie? I'm still doing 2 bottles a day if I'm home. 1 bottle for sure. They are 7 weeks old, I think. It goes by fast. And I'll probably feed them until they're 9, 10, 12. I have to look it up and see. I think it says up to 12 weeks. But really, I think they would be fine because they're eating grain and hay. This just helps to give them some of the nourishments and vitamins they need to grow their bones. And Tilly eats a lot more than Truvy does. She'll drink a whole 16-ounce bottle. Truvy drinks about 5 or 6 ounces. But Tilly's my baby. She's the one that yells for me. She comes to me. She sits in my lap. Truvy, she ain't no part of the lovey-dovey. She's like, feed me and move on. And I need to already cut their hooves back. They're already overgrown. You're just little babies. Here, Truvy. She just don't suck like Tilly does. Ragnar, you better be nice. Yes. Yes, you're sweet baby. Y'all haven't been eating good. I don't think you like your food I got you. That and they got other things on their mind. You've got killed that bottle. You better eat because your sister will eat it. That one's empty. Tilly gets down. She usually gets down on her knees like she eats under her mama. Hey, True. Hey, Truvy. Look, Mama's got some treats. You want a treat? Yeah, you like that? Y'all get little teethies, ain't you? Okay. That little tail's just a shaking. You're just a little bony thing. Your little belly got a little full. You got just a little bit of milk left. You want some more milk? That's why your sister's so little. You drink her milk. That's good. It smells like licorice. I don't know what it tastes like. They love it. I love it, don't you? You sweet babies. I want them to stay my babies. I want it to stay my baby. The bottles are empty. Where's Delcy Marie? Huh? Okay, I'm working on it. Oh, Trudy. I'm trying to get her to be a little friendlier. Your little horns are coming in. Your little horns are showing. Yes. They had another little brother or sister. We don't know what it was. It didn't get to get born, did it? No, it didn't. It got stuck. Mama died. Baby died. It was terrible. But Mama's your mama now. We'll be taking care of you best we can. It's the best we can. Yes, I will. Draper! Draper! Get in the house. Hey, hush. Draper causes so much trouble on this farm. I never did see Delcy. She's probably down foraging. Oh, I was going to check the chicken coop before I go back in. And I need to look for Delcy. No, come. I have to lock Draper up, especially right now with Agatha's and heat. Come on. Come on. Come. Come on. Draper. Get in. Come. You better listen to me. I should have done that a while ago, but I was busy talking to you guys, and I didn't think about it. I don't know why that got pushed up so close. We're struggling with this whole video stuff. Hey, little tabby cat. See the pregnant cat? Hers is pregnant. Hers is a pregnant old kitty. Yeah. It's okay. Is your sister in here? I don't see her. She's probably out wondering about. Y'all got food? Just a little bit. You got them pretty green eyes. Your Cece's got pretty blue eyes. She's got some pretty kitties. You two are a mess. I don't think I want to let them have any more pups after this. They're too hard to find homes for. One. Two, the world's overpopulated now. But I did want her to be able to have one more litter. She's such a good mama. She is. She's such a good mama. No eggs yet? Ragnar, are you a good daddy? No, you're just a bully. You're a bully to the world. Okay, I'll come out and get y'all some more stuff. Well, hey. Hey, girls. Do y'all want another treat for Mama Goes Back? Oh, yeah. You want another treat? No. I gotta find Elsie. I don't like not seeing her. She's the mama goat that lost her triplets this year. We just had tragedy after tragedy on this farm. Elsie, what are you doing? Come here, baby. Are you scared of Ragnar? Has he been harassing you? Because Lagatha's in heat. Yeah, I'll get you a treat. Here you go. Mama get you a treat. Here, Delcy. Here. Who's a good Delcy girl? She's a bottle baby, too. See, I was a bottle baby. She's not having no more kids, so we got Riggins fixed. Hey, I'm tired of you. Ragnar's even mean to the goats. He's supposed to be protecting them. He's about to find him a new home. If he don't straighten up, be mean to my babies. And I know it's because she's in heat. That's his whole attitude changes. And what's weird is when where did Riggins go? Riggs. When Riggins was in rut and the girls were accepting, Ragnar was crazy then too. And I'm like, you're a dog. I just saw him. We had him banded, and I've not been able to check him and see if his where's Riggins? What are you doing in there, buddy? I thought I heard a collar. Are you harassing the goats? They're hiding from you. It's warming up, y'all. I was freezing. Look at this. I got on a sweater. I got on my socks. Ignore my face because it's a mess today, I know. Okay, we got the babies fed and gathered what eggs we could. Now, I think I'm going to move some strawberry plants. We'll let Draper back out. But I just wanted to take y'all a walk around the farm. And I'll see y'all again soon. Love you. Bye.